Alright guys and girls, welcome back to another video of mine. Just doing some bluebells now, just right here, and trying to get this in to shot. And I should try and turn that a bit. To see if I turn this up too much like that, it kind of sort of goes washed out the colours, so I need to just try and turn that down a little bit. So it's a nice colour. So about there I think. Just got to balance it because this 25mm lens. Right, let's have a look at the back. Alright, so if I put that on infinity, let's put that on infinity. You can see the back is all slightly in. And then what you do, then you can jump on infinity, and then you can go like this. That looks nice. Anyway, guys and girls, cheers for watching. It is the 13th of July 2019 at the time of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Just doing quick videos here.